case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1981, the Mississippi Supreme Court heard the case of Douglas v. Great Atlantic and Pacific Tea Company, which centered on the burden of proof in slip-and-fall cases. Mary Douglas sued A&P Grocery Store after injuring her back due to slipping on a wet floor near the frozen food section. The store manager testified that the water on the floor came from a leak in the frozen food case, while the store porter claimed he did not see any water when he cleaned the floors earlier. The jury found in favor of A&P, but Douglas appealed, citing errors in the jury's instructions and insufficient evidence. The store was crowded during the incident, and the manager, fairly, had walked past the accident site multiple times but did not notice any water. Ultimately, the court ruled that the directed verdict for A&P was justified, as the plaintiff failed to prove that the store knew about or caused the wet floor. The jury's verdict was deemed appropriate, given the plaintiff's speculation about the water source and the lack of evidence proving negligence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.